Hi, I'm Dora. I'm from Spain. I've been in Dubai a couple of years. I'm training an operations manager for a video conferencing platform. When I moved to Dubai, I knew that dune bashing was something that I wanted to do a little bit. So I got myself a car and didn't know what to do with it. I researched a little bit and I saw that the best place to learn how to manage my car and use and abuse it was Desert Fellas. So I signed up, I did a discovery course, which was eye-opening. It helped me build my confidence up a little bit, and I took it the next level to really know how to manage my car, how to drive, how to know how to get out of tricky situations, how to avoid tricky situations. And little by little, my confidence got built up, but to the point that I really enjoy driving, and I love going out to these community drives and having barbecues, having socials, and a little bit of a drive in between.